Well, Vishnu, I'm right outside the Bangladesh High Commission, and let me tell you that there is a sense of uneasy calm here, and we don't know where Sheikh Hasina would be landing. Some people say that she could be landing in Delhi and then, of course, proceeding to London. But let me also tell you that there are staff members inside this complex who are also wearing these black badges of protest. So clearly saying that, you know, whatever is happening in Bangladesh, of course, will have consequences not just in India, but the entire neighborhood. Remember, Sheikh Hasina has been a trusted friend of India, and this whole 10 years has been seen as a Sonali Adhyay, you know, the golden period of diplomacy, because both Narendra Modi and Sheikh Hasina have had a very trusted friendship, and Sheikh Hasina has also sort of, you know, dealt with, addressed India's concerns regarding Islamic terror extremism, and you know, but other than that, there have also been concerns with regard to how democratic the elections were. Remember, she came to power for the 4th term, and you know, she's been in power in Bangladesh since 2009, and she was in Delhi just a few days ago for her bilateral meeting, and also for the swearing in of Narendra Modi for the 3rd time. So clearly, you know, many policy changes will have to be made with regard to the foreign policy strategy of India. But as regard to, you know, now the Bangladesh High Commission is sort of, you know, there are many media people here, and of course, you know, the security has been beefed up. You can see Delhi police on that side as well. And of course, I also reached out to Mustafizur Rahman, who is the High Commissioner there, and his office has said that, you know, he is continuously in a spate of meetings, so he'll not be able to meet media people today. So there is a sense of uneasy calm, and of course we are waiting for some more updates as to where Sheikh Hasina could be actually headed, if she's actually coming to Delhi, and where she could be staying, if that actually is the truth.